So I'm at Dania Pier, wait, across from Dania Pier, and I'm gonna try to net some hog leg. There they go. So I guess the mullet are still here. Mullet are definitely still here. Oh, there they go. Nice group right there. Ooh. Pretty sure that's hog leg. Mullet, hog leg, Yankee doodles. That's what I like to call them. Yankee doodles. I see Mr. Hogleg's family right here. Hogleg's family, I got it. That was Hogleg's family. Call him Billy. Billy the hogleg. Yep, there's bait for you. Throw back the big guys. Put the small one in. Thing is, I don't have my big pole. I have my smaller pole, so I'm really not going to be using them too much. Oh shit, it's a bird. Holy shit. I thought it was a fish. Guess what, it's a bird. It's that a bird? Oh my god. This is what, the third time? Chill out. 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 Chill out, bird. Chill out. Chill out, nigga. Chill out. Out. Chill out. Chill out. Wah, 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 wah. Chill out, dog. Trying to help you, bird. I told you don't touch my fish. Got it?
Yeah. Want it?
No, I don't want it.
Take a picture of it.
Huh?
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.